the most important guest today, representing COP27, Dr. Omnia El Omrani.
This event is a testament to our collective will to voice a clear message that the climate crisis is a health crisis. As a young medical doctor myself, I'm here to evoke a feeling of urgency, to address the climate and health emergency and the systemic inequalities my generation is desperately living through. We know that we are entitled to a better future. The science is clear, the solutions are there. So let's work together across silos, across generations to build the healthy and secure world that young people want and deserve. Thank you.